Hello, good morning. Sobke welcome gure ase achilaga khobor janai de ase. Election Commission of India Rajagali Sunday din de janai de ase ki 28 Koridang Assembly constituency under Mokokchung district te by election doile April 9 de lobole ase gusha. Notification issue gura ke janai de ase ki nomination laga last date doile March 23 hobo ga ase. Aro nomination laga scrutiny doile March 24 de lobo aro candidate kan chidi withdraw gurule munjai shugole to March 26 last date hobo go ase. Polling doile April 9 de lobole ase aro vote counting doile May 4 de lobole ase ko ase aro entire election process doile May 6 tak doile khatam guri dibole laga janishe. Election Commission of India laga hisab te by election doile Goa, Karnataka, Nagaland, Tripura de April 9 de lobole ase. Gujarat, Maharashtra de April 23 de lobole ase. Assembly election laga Assam, Kerala, Pujuri de first phase de April 29 de lobo. Tamil Nadu do first phase de April 23 de lobo. West Bengal do second phase de April 23 ba luigana 29 April dak lobole ase. 14 Nagaland Legislative Assembly the Directorate of Economic and Statistics kanba Nagaland Economic Survey 2025 or 26 dia laka time data kanba janai de ase ki Women Helpline de 1584 call receive kurishe ko ase idula de 120 doile effective call tagishe ko ase taikan ge call receive kura laka de 35 doile domestic violence laka tagishe tinda doile support or assistant manga laka de tagishe 20 case doile cyber crime phone call noile text pra pia kotha kan patha laka kwa laka thagishe tuida case toile rape laka thagishe 9 case toile manu harai ja laka thagishe tuida case to harassment laka ekta case toile manu ke picha guri thagia laka tinda doile emotional violence aro abuse laka thagishe tuida case toile fraud aro thokai dia laka thagishe ekta case toile sexual assault laka thagishe charda doile distress case thagishe aro tinda doile psychological assistant counseling aro guidance manga laga case thagishe koina janai dishe taikambra ru janai de ase ke 35 call doile government scheme noile program noile law laka jankari lobo karni call kora laka thagishe koi ase report tv janai de ase ke January date 1 ba loigena December 31st 2025 te children's in need of care and protection laga hisab te child welfare committee kan bra 293 muta aro 304 chukri kan total 597 pacha kan ge receive kurishe ko ase total case laga 571 277 muta aro 294 chukri kan doile itu laga same period te dispose kurishe ko ase report tv janai dise ke January bra loigena December 2025 tak juvenile justice sport kan bra CCL laga hisab te 60 pacha kan 55 muta aro 5ta chukri kan receive kurishe ko ase itu laga 50 case toile 47 muta aro 3ta chukri doile dispose kurishe ko ase report tv janai dise ki Kifri Mon Noklak aro Samodu district te CCL case te 0 record thagishe ko ase aro further report tv janai dise ki child care institution de December 31st 2025 laga hisab te 399 muta aro 347 chukri kan boyase ko ala bi janishe GBRN NSNU Canberra Kelongso Solomon RK Tailaka position aro responsibility bra immediately effect pra suspend guri dishi kwase press release te GBRN NSNU Canberra chanai de ase ke Tailaka action soile party laka discipline aro conduct ke series pra pitch guri shi kwase idu kani group pra Solomon RK Tailaka government organization property documents materials kan kipi ase du doile office ke within 3 days machote return guri dibole laka issue kurisha Sinabadi district Manipur de March 2 de National Highway 102 de Dimapur bra Impal de construction materials bukina jai thakya laka truck ekta cholai dia laka opore Manipur police kambra Saturday de prime accused ke arrest kurishe kushe tai laka nam doile Ramayu Wasum goigana janishe tai doile Sinabadi district te thakya laka ase kushe accused manu bra idu laka incident de use kura laka gari kanbi police kan bra seize kurishe aro dai laka pra tuida mobile phone bi seize kurishe koi ase police laga report hisab te ko ase ke NL07AA 2863 gari doile Dimapur ba Impal jai thakya time de duijon manu bunduk thori gana gari ke rokhai gana gari bitor de tinjon manu berai thakya khetai di gana gari do choi thali gana cholai di she goshe gari do ele North East Federation of Trade Union General Secretary laka gari thakishe kushe police kambra idu laga mamla obode chanbin kurigena accused manuge thurubole parishe kushe Manipur de Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Science de kam gura laka staff kan ge 39 lakhs paisa mangi lua laka opode Manipur police kambra charjun accused manuge arrest kurishe kushe police sources de janai disi ki arrest toile 13 March de hushe wase kote nurse kan laka illegal money paisa collection guri lua laka opode Purambat police station Impal East de FIR register gura piche de investigation guri kana arrest toile kurishe kushe Manipur police pra statement de janai dishe ki accused kan laga hat pra 39 lakhs 6 mobile phone ekta pistol bi recover kurishe kushe police paru kushe ki arrest kura manu kan doile Kanglai Bek Communist Party laga naam de nurse kan laga hat pra paisa do hele collection guri thakishe kushe aro paisa do hele underground outfit de transfer kurishe wala bi janashe United Arab Emirates UAE kan bra chogali Sunday din de khobor janai de ase ki Israel US Iran laga war opor de video clips kan social media platform de thalegena manu ke mislead kura laga opor de 35 manu jon idula de 19 June doile India manu kan ase ta kan ge thuribo karne order dishe goi ase idulaga khobor bi amnan ge janai de ase ajila khobor de mande rakhi di ase chiji kumba manu nutun sai thakile moram bra subscribe like aro share kuri dibi goina request kuri di ase thank you